Hello, you lovely people. I hope you're all doing well and ready for something delicious. Life gets busy, and after a long day, the last thing you want is a complicated dinner. But a proper, tasty meal doesn't have to be a mission or take hours to make. We all need quick, easy recipes packed with goodness. Something that's nourishing, satisfying, and doesn't leave you with a mountain of washing up. Food brings people together and fills our bellies with joy. There's nothing better than sharing a meal with the people you love, even on the busiest weeknights. This chicken, broccoli, and sweetcorn pasta is a midweek lifesaver, simple, hearty, and full of flavor. It's a one-pan wonder. Tender chicken, vibrant green broccoli, and sweet corn, all coated in a creamy, cheesy sauce that's pure comfort. You get protein, vitamins, and energy in every bowl, making it a balanced meal that keeps everyone fueled and happy. No fancy equipment or weird ingredients, just everyday heroes from your fridge and pantry, so you can whip this up any night of the week. While the pasta cooks away, you can prep everything else. It's all about making the most of your time and keeping things stress-free. By the time the pasta's done, your sauce is ready to go. Just pour it over, give it a good mix, and you're nearly there. Cooking should be fun, not stressful. Take a moment to enjoy the smells and the sizzle in the pan. Get the kids involved, put on some music, and enjoy the process together. It's a great way to make memories and teach little ones about good food. This recipe gives you big flavor for little effort, and you'll be amazed at how quickly it comes together. It's a hug in a bowl and a real crowd pleaser, perfect for any night you want something comforting and delicious. Trust me, this will become a family favorite in no time. So let's get cooking and make your midweek meals something to look forward to. Before we start cooking, let's take a moment to get all our lovely ingredients ready and organized. This is the first step to making a delicious meal, and it really sets you up for success. Mise en place, or everything in its place, makes the whole process smoother and more enjoyable. It's a little bit of prep that goes a long way. For a hearty meal that serves 4 people, you'll need 2 fresh chicken breasts, 1 vibrant head of broccoli, and a can of sweet corn. These are the stars of our dish. You'll also want about 300 grams of your favorite short pasta. Think fusilli or penne, perfect for holding on to that creamy sauce. Start by chopping the chicken into bite-sized pieces. This helps it cook quickly and evenly, so every forkful is tender and juicy. Next, break the broccoli into small florets. Think of them as little trees that soak up all the flavor and add a lovely crunch. Drain your sweet corn well, so it's ready to add a pop of color and a touch of natural sweetness to the dish. Choose whichever pasta shape you love. Fusilli and penne are both great for catching every bit of our creamy sauce, but feel free to use what you have. The secret to our rich velvety sauce? 200 grams of full-fat cream cheese. It melts beautifully and brings everything together. Don't forget your pantry staples. Grab some olive oil, a pinch of smoked paprika, sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. These simple seasonings make all the difference. That's it. No fuss, just honest, wholesome ingredients coming together for a comforting meal. Now that everything's prepped and ready, let's move on to the fun part. Time to get cooking and bring these beautiful ingredients to life. Let's get started. Cooking a delicious meal is all about enjoying the process, so gather your ingredients, put on your favorite apron, and let's dive in together. First, bring a big pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Add your pasta and cook it until it's perfectly al dente, firm to the bite but not hard. This step is key for great texture. While the pasta cooks, heat a generous splash of olive oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add your diced chicken, spreading it out so it browns evenly. Sprinkle the chicken with smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Let it sizzle, stirring occasionally until it's golden on the outside and cooked through. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, toss in your broccoli florets and sweet corn. Stir everything together so the veggies get coated in those tasty spices and chicken juices. Let the vegetables cook for a few minutes, just until the broccoli turns bright green and is tender but still has a little crunch. This keeps the dish fresh and vibrant. Before you drain the pasta, remember to save a cup of that starchy cooking water. It's a secret weapon for making your sauce silky and smooth. Drain the pasta well, then add it straight into the pan with your chicken and veggies. Toss everything together so the flavors start to mingle. Lower the heat, then add a generous spoonful of cream cheese and a splash of the reserved pasta water. This is where the magic happens. Stir gently until the cream cheese melts and transforms into a creamy, luscious sauce that coats every piece of pasta and veggie. If the sauce seems too thick, add a bit more pasta water until it's just right. Taste and adjust the seasoning with a pinch more salt or pepper if needed. That's it. Dinner is nearly ready. Take a moment to admire your colorful, creamy creation. Let's make it even better with a few tips. A sprinkle of fresh herbs or a squeeze of lemon can really brighten up the flavors and make your dish pop. Want to make it your own? Swap cream cheese for double or single cream if you like it lighter. Add extra veggies. Spinach, peas, mushrooms, or peppers all work brilliantly. For more flavor, add garlic or a pinch of chili flakes with the chicken. A squeeze of lemon at the end brightens everything up. Finish with grated parmesan and fresh herbs for a burst of color and taste. Don't be afraid to experiment. Cooking is about having fun. Make it your family's signature dish. Now, let's serve up. In under 30 minutes, you've made a colorful, creamy pasta feast. Serve it straight from the pan, family style, and let everyone dig in. This dish is quick, wholesome, and brings everyone together. Kids love the familiar flavors and bright veggies. It's a stress-free meal that makes dinner time special. Get the kids involved. They'll be proud to help and more excited to eat. Next time you need a quick dinner, remember this recipe. It's flexible, reliable, and guaranteed to please. Enjoy every bite and celebrate good food even on busy nights. Lovely stuff.